Okay, so my sister got the Nature's Wild Berry, which supposedly, according to Amazon, makes everything sour taste sweet. So I'm trying to find me a lemon, because we're gonna test this theory out. There's a pack of lemons. Oh yes. Okay. It says to eat 1 or a half of the berry. But if you eat the whole berry, that it lasts a longer time. I don't need it to last a longer time. I just need it to last as long as I eat it and swallow it. Oh, this is my water bottle. Ta-da! And extra. And then here's the wild berry. This is what it looks like. My sister's not home, but she was like, go ahead and try it. Just don't mess up your stomach. And I was like, okay, I'll try not to. Oh, and I'm watching a drama right now. Romance is a bonus book. It's okay. I'm not really one for lovey-dovey stuff, but if you like it, go watch it. It's on Netflix. Oh, this has a funky smell to it. This is what it looks. Oh, jeez. This is what it looks like. These don't look normal. Like, what the heck is this? And it smells weird.
Just kill them.
Okay, so my parents luckily had slices of lemon. I'm kind of scared though. So I just take one and then wait 30 seconds and then I could eat this, and then everything is surprisingly sweet. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Wow. It tastes like a regular berry. It's a really sweet berry too. So I took one, enjoy new flavors. Works best with clean palate. Whoops, I ate something. It said it tasted sweeter than sugar. That was a sham. Okay, some parts of my mouth is kind of sweet, some parts of my mouth is kind of sour. So when you eat the berry, I think you're supposed to have the berry swirl around your entire mouth before. Oh, jeez.
If we get it.
You ready to try it?
Hi.
Okay, so you're supposed to eat 1/2 and then eat it for 30 seconds.
Chew it?
Chew, swallow. It's like a berry. It is a berry.
It's crunchy.
And sweet, right?
Yeah.
It's sour. That's sour. It's a sham. It's straight sour. How? It says it's supposed to last. Half a berry lasts for 15 to 20 minutes, and 1 berry lasts for 20 to 40 minutes. Since I ate like 1.5, I don't know what I'm doing wrong, so I'm gonna call this defective. But, ow, that hurt. So if you want to try Nature's Wild Berry, go right ahead. I'm gonna avoid some things for the time being. Lemons is one of them, unless I'm eating it with pho. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I wish for you to try Nature's Wild Berry too. Wow. So, yeah, that's it. Goodbye.
I'm kind of scared. It tastes like an orange.
Giống chanh á. Cái trái này nè, con ăn trái này không? Chanh này mà ngọt rồi bé.